Here's a really cool infographic, which I often sign up for. I'll take infographics, although this one's a bit confusing to me because this is the most hated popular apps in every country around the world. And some of these I find to be quite surprising. Like, for example, that Reddit is so hated all over the place on this, like, being the most hated app in a number of countries, such as, let me see, Germany, the most hated app is Reddit. Poland, the most hated app is Reddit. Serbia, the most hated app is Reddit. I mean, I could go on and on. Croatia.
Raid Shadow Legends in China.
Yeah, Raid Shadow Legends over there in China. Tinder is the most hated app in Canada, the US, Australia, New Zealand, also much of Europe, or a few spots in Europe.
Although it's widely used, no?
Well, that's the thing. It appears that this infographic took into account how popular they were. So it's the most popular, the most hated popular apps. Like, it couldn't, obviously there's probably hated apps that get publicly hated on less frequently because less people know about them. Kazakhstan is mad about WhatsApp. India's most hated app is Netflix. Most hated popular app. And the way that they track this was based on negative sentiment and AI tracking of social media, monitoring social media for people saying negative things about these services. I just would have expected to see more Facebook on here. More social media criticism, which you don't see that much of. Yes, Facebook is the most hated app in a couple of places.
I guess there's Reddit.
Facebook is the most hated app in where? Let me see. A couple of places. Saudi Arabia.
Okay.
Congo. But that's about it. I mean, unless you look more closely, maybe there's some other places that seems like it. eBay is the most hated in Brazil. You might find this to be kind of interesting. Disney Plus taking heat in a few places, such as Russia. I don't know what Disney Plus did. Probably posted some type of material that is not
salacious
supported.
Yeah.
Reddit, also the most hated popular app in Japan. Another big one, Roblox, hated in a lot of places. It's the most hated in 21 total countries, making it the most hated popular app.
North Korea hates
around the globe. Oh, North Korea be hating Roblox.
Taiwan hates Roblox. Yeah.
Greece is not about Clash of Clans, apparently, and Iceland doesn't like Bumble.
I'm surprised with the Facebook thing.
You expected
Are you sure it's not sponsored by Facebook, this whole
Look, like Puerto Rico is mad at Amazon, and the U.S. Virgin Islands is mad at YouTube.
Yeah.
Didn't you expect to see more TikTok, too? Like, aren't people irritated by that? I don't know what to tell you.
TikTok.
I don't know what to tell you. Well, anyway, maybe this AI tool needs a little tweaking.